在土耳其，马赛克呢是个生活用品，就是在家里啊，在清真寺啊都能看到的一个生活用品。三角形的话，在我们的文化当中，它代表过去、现在和未来，然后加起来的话，它是代表永恒的意思。我们在这边做的图案，它们都是就希望能达到永恒的一个意思。每个人都可以做的，其实很简单的。马赛克在土耳其语是多元化的意思，其实，所以就是我们开启了这么一个工作坊，然后就是更多人来了解这个文化，更多人来自己就是制作一个灯，然后带回自己的家里，就每次看这个灯的时候，就能想到不同的文化在一起，其实很好的，就是希望就是每个人都能想到这一点。
咁啊吹糖啦，咁有時吹糖嘅時候咧，咁佢啲細路仔咧，佢係個個都話：哇，好難吹㗎！嗰啲大人咧就喺側邊就話：喂，你大力啲啊，記住咁樣，因為佢哋嘅經驗咧就係大力㗎嘛。咁但係其實呢個係錯誤㗎嘛，吹糖其實唔係大力嘅，吹糖係慢慢吹嘅。一粒糖你要賣可以賣到好貴都得㗎，但係有幾多人買咧？但係如果你咁樣嘅時候咧，其實好多人會去參與你嗰個遊戲，咁啊大家交換開心咯。
This is one thing which gives me some identity, that's what I believe, and a peace of mind. Running has given me so much in life, the confidence, self-belief. So this is one thing I really treasure.
For professional long-distance runners like Praveen Sharma and amateurs alike, the lockdown because of COVID-19 has forced them to improvise. Unable to clock his usual mileage of 100 kilometers a week, the 34-year-old used the terrace of his apartment building to stick to his training routine.
I never ran before, on the terrace. So I thought, why not give it a try? In 40 minutes, I remember I did my 5 kilometers. It was not easy here because we all know that, in a small space, there'll be a lot of injuries when you take a lot of turns every time. I had to, build my mileage and I could not compromise with that. 8 shape I used to run so that, both of my sides will turn and my hips, they stay at one position. They stay normal. I don't get any injuries. And it is somewhere around 35 meters loop.
Sudhir Agarwal went a step further. He combined his living room and home office to create a loop of 27 meters to resume running after deliberating for a month into the lockdown. The 50-year-old telecom professional has clocked more than 700 kilometers since April 24th, entirely within the confines of his apartment.
You're running on a smooth surface, so no worry of putting your step on a not level field. You don't have to carry any water bottle with you. In this small stretch, you can identify a small location. Like I have identified a pit station, which I call water station. I put my water bottle over there. Honestly, you won't believe. Maybe I did 5 half marathons in last 54 days. I normally do 2 or 3 half marathons in a full year.
Jyotsna Rawat in the city of Dehradun is lucky. Her family owns a plot of land that enables her to complete 1 kilometer in 6 loops. Still, the challenge for her was to overcome the monotony of running in circles for an extended period.
Especially being a person who enjoys, running, because I get to see so many mountains and rivers and beautiful weather. That was very hard for me. Like the first day when I did my 42K inside this, I was literally like having this weird feeling and like about to faint because of all this like circle thing. So yeah, it has been really hard for me, but now it's like I'm normal to it. Like I have to do it. I don't have any option now.
Adapting to new training and exercise methods, these athletes have made the most out of the restrictions imposed by the lockdown. The pandemic that has brought the world to a halt has failed to deter them.
I did not let it. Initially, that was my fear as well, what would I do with this lockdown? But as I've said that, I've tried to find ways, and this terrace run worked out for me. And then later on, I included lot of strength trainings and those things into my pattern. So it has only made me stronger somewhere, So that is one thing which is keeping me sane here, and I can keep that continued here for, some more days.